Hello, I'm Dr. Mark Slavin, CEO of RTS Global, the international division for resistance training specialists, the RTS program, based in the United States. Over 30 years ago, RTS pioneered and introduced the subject of exercise mechanics to the world of exercise professionals. And in that time, I've had the unique privilege of teaching this in over 70 countries. Today, I'm both thrilled and honored to announce our involvement with the upcoming IFBB Nordic Academy personal training course. In this upcoming course, we will introduce you to what exercise mechanics is, why it's important, and how to think about exercise mechanics as a professional and not what to think as a follower. We refer to this approach as client-defined exercise, and I'd like to thank the Academy and Villiers, sorry if I pronounced that incorrectly, for giving us this opportunity to share this with you.